Next.js gives us a really cool convenience method with this extension of the request API, so next request, that would allow us to easily search the URL for query parameters. So in this case, all we did was declare a new value. So in this case, we're saying search params is equal to the request. And then this is one of those values as part of next request that we get. So next URL, and then we get this value search params. So this extracts all the query parameters that were passed into our endpoint, if there were any. So you can see here, query params can either be a string or null, depending on if that value actually exists. So I'm basically saying search params, find me the value populate if it exists. If it doesn't exist, it's going to be null. So now our endpoint would be adjusted to return the message that we had earlier, which is just the ID that we passed. And now we're also going to be passing back the query params that we received. So now if we go back to Postman and we attempt to pass in a query parameter populate, let's see what we get back. And you can see here, we got back our query parameter, the actual value for populate. Now if we set to a value that we haven't even looked for in our code. So remember, in our code, we're only looking for populate. But if we pass in something like admin, it should return null because, again, we're not searching for that in our get method right here. And as expected, returns null.